The process of industrial sickness. So how the sickness comes into an enterprise. So what all the factors that lead to sickness in the industries? First one, normal units. Financial results are normal and efficient, generating profit. So initially everything is good. So you started a company, you have started producing the products, and everything is getting sold in the public domain, and the market surveys are going to be very good in your favor. So whatever you return, whatever you have invested, you will get a good return on investment, and you're going to generate the profit. Okay, so this is the normal unit where it is going to generate profit, and the financial results are going to be very good and efficient. Now, how slowly it is going into sickness, we are going to be tending towards sickness. So initial aberration, deviation from right path in some of the functional areas. So in some areas, it is going in the wrong path. Might be because of lack of expertise or any other reason, you are slowly deviating from the right path. So you have been creating profits, but now you are deviating slowly from the right path in some of the function areas, maybe technical, maybe testing, any other thing. Decline in the profit last year. So compared to last year, the current year will have decline in profit. So last year I made 100 crores profit. This year I'm making only 25 crores profit. Means you are having 75 crores loss, and also losses anticipated in the current year. So you are forecasting that the losses will also be continuing in the current year. The last year compared to 3 years, I told you, right? So previous last current year you have loss. Previous year also there was not loss but decline in profit, and previous year the profit was very good. So these slowly you can anticipate that the unit is going towards sickness. Next one, early stage of sickness. It is called as incipient sickness, early stage of sickness. Deterioration in functional areas continue. You are not bothered about the deviation caused, and you are still focusing only on the profit. So you are not even bothered to restore the deviation from the financial right path. Okay, the deviation is there, and you are not bothered to restore it. Deterioration anticipated in the current year. Last year also there was some deviation. It was not properly answered, and this year also you are expecting some deviation. Cash loss incurred in the last year and expected in current year also. The cash loss, last year you had heavy cash loss. This year also you are forecasting that the cash loss might be high this year also. Finally, unit becomes completely sick. The functional area has become inefficient. So it's deviation towards see the second point, it is initial deviation on the right path. Third one, deviation very strong. Fourth part, the functional area has become inefficient, so it is not fit for the company to use the current functional areas. Cash losses occurred in last year, expected in current year and next year also. So the 3 years, past, present, and future. So last year also the cash loss was there. This year also the cash loss is there, and next year also I'm expecting a cash loss. So this is an indicator that your enterprise is going to be sick. Okay.